Now students, we are going to study the reactions of acids with metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate. See the apparatus, how the apparatus is arranged. This is a test tube. Again it is fixed with the iron stand, you can see, and this is the Thistle funnel. Through this Thistle funnel you will drop the dilute hydrochloric acid here. You have taken about 0.5 gram of milligram of this sodium carbonate and 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. Then you will see that reaction will take place here with the evolution of a gas, and when this gas will evolve here, you will hear the sound of effervescence, right? When you will do this activity in the lab, you will just recognize that sound of effervescence. It's like सनसनाहट जिसको बोलते हैं, that type of sound comes, and then this gas is passed through this delivery tube into a tube in which freshly prepared lime water is taken, that is calcium hydroxide solution, that is lime water, right? So you will see that it becomes milky. So again, for the evolution of carbon dioxide gas, how will you recognize that the gas which is releasing in the test tube, that is carbon dioxide, first indication you get from effervescence. When effervescence comes, means carbon dioxide gas is releasing. Next, when this gas is passed in lime water becomes milky. This is again a confirmatory test of carbon dioxide. So please remember what is the confirmatory test and what is the indication of carbon dioxide gas. And one more confirmatory test is, if you are just bringing the burning sphincter near the delivery tube of this gas, this sphincter will extinguish. Though in case of hydrogen gas, in the previous videos we have seen that it burns with the pop sound, but in case of carbon dioxide, this extinguishes. So please remember the indication of the carbon dioxide gas and the confirmatory test of carbon dioxide gas. See how does the reaction take place. Again, see the equation: metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate, whether the metal carbonate or the metal bicarbonate when react with acid. Again, what is the formation of you can say products here? That is again salt water plus carbon dioxide gas. So please again remember what is the word equation. To learn word equation is very important, because when you will learn this word equation, it will be easy to you to write the equation. See the formula of sodium carbonate. This is the metal carbonate. Here we have taken sodium carbonate. This is the metal carbonate, and it reacts with acid, that is HCl, right? Again, which acid? It is dilute acid. Why it is written in the aqueous form? Because this acid is dissolved in water, right? And this is solid you have taken. Salt which is formed here, that is NaCl, sodium chloride, plus water, H2O plus carbon dioxide. This is in the liquid form, it is in the aqueous form, and carbon dioxide gas in the gaseous state, right? The next reaction is sodium hydrogen carbonate. We can say it sodium hydrogen carbonate, and general name of this or common name is sodium bicarbonate or baking soda, right? When this reacts with HCl, then again sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. You can see salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. So please do remember these reactions and their formula. Then next is, when this carbon dioxide gas, you saw in the previous slide that this carbon dioxide gas is when passed in the this calcium hydroxide solution, that is freshly prepared lime water, it becomes milky. So what is the reaction basically take place here? That calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH whole twice in the form of aqueous, means dissolved in water, freshly prepared, with water it is prepared, plus carbon dioxide gas which we are passing through the delivery tube, it becomes milky. And why does this milky color appears, this color changes appears, you can say, because of the formation of white precipitate of calcium carbonate. So please again remember this question. It happens because of the formation of white precipitate, that is calcium carbonate, that is the insoluble solid, right? It doesn't dissolve, and that is why it looks milky in color, and plus water is formed here. And what happens when excess of carbon dioxide is passed? Means whenever carbon dioxide gas is passed, firstly it will become milky, and if you are continuously passing carbon dioxide gas, then this reaction always these products are formed already, and when you are still passing carbon dioxide gas, then the product which is formed here, that is calcium hydrogen carbonate, and it is soluble in water. Means afterward you will feel that the color disappears, the milky color which appeared before, that disappears on passing the excess of carbon dioxide, right? And the next is you have to learn limestone, chalk and marble are different forms of the calcium carbonate, and all metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates react with acids to give a corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water. That's all for today. Please learn these all reactions and activity properly. Watch the video carefully, and if any query is there, please ask. Thank you. Have a good day.